Hello everyone, welcome to Puspanjali solution. Today we will learn a simple and meaningful English conversation between two Hindu priests and a school student at Maa Tarini Temple. This conversation will help students improve their spoken English and learn moral values of temple. So, let's begin. Good morning, priest. Good morning, my child. Welcome to Maa Tarini Temple. Thank you, priest. I am happy to visit this temple today. That is wonderful. Have you come with your family? Yes, I have come with my parents. Very good. Maa Tarini always blesses sincere devotees. Priest, why do people visit this temple? People come here to pray for peace, happiness, and success in life, dear. What should I do for entering the temple? First, remove your footwear and wash your hands and feet. Okay, priest, I will do that. Then fold your hands and pray with a pure heart. What prayer should I offer to Maa Tarini? You can pray for good health, wisdom, and kindness. Priest, does Maa Tarini listen to everyone's prayers? Yes, she listens to every sincere prayer. That is very comforting. Always remember that faith and good deeds go together. I will remember that. Are you a school student? Yes, I study in school. Then study regularly and respect your teachers. Yes, priest. I will work hard in my studies. Very good. Education and devotion are both important. Thank you for your guidance. May Maa Tarini bless you with knowledge and success. Thank you, priest. Thank you, Panditji. Have a wonderful day, my child. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye, my dear. Maa Tarini bless you. Goodbye. Maa Tarini bless you. Now, let's practice the vocabulary part. Devotee means a person who worships God. Blessing, God's favor and protection. Faith, strong belief in God. Wisdom, good knowledge and understanding. Guidance, helpful advice or direction. Now, let's know the moral of this conversation. First moral is respect. Respect places of worship. Second moral is pray. Pray with a sincere heart. Third moral is education and devotion. Education and devotion should go together. Fourth one is respect parents and teachers. And the last one is good deeds bring happiness and success. So students, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like, share and subscribe to Puspanjali solution for more educational and spoken English videos. See you in the next video. Jai Maa Tarini.